take a look. Am I still recording? Yeah. On the tree, there's going to be a sign that says Airbnb. Do you see a sign?
Well, he said it's a mile, right?
Yeah, I'm not sure. It's about a mile. A mile is a long time on roads like this.
Oh, yeah.
Really? Interesting. Well, at least that guy was like, this is not the Airbnb. Yep.
Really good picture.
I know.
They need a streamer.
A what?
Streamer?
What the hell is that? Oh. Sorry, not familiar with that Yamaha lineup. But don't go too fast, and because we're looking for signs.
Well, I figured we would see the park here.
I'm kind of hoping that because the guy says there's like a Airbnb. Yeah. If this road is as bad as this, then we're okay.
This is the good part. I don't know what
Can you wait for me for a sec? Wow.
Which way do you think we should go here? There's a lady walking there.
Let's ask him. Let's go this way, because it looks less muddy. Oh shit. Hello. We're looking for this Airbnb place.
Hey, stop. Okay, on motorcycles, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna have a fun ride.
We might walk it, but
You keep going the road here,
okay.
and the next turn has a lantern there. Go left.
Okay.
The road there starts to get pretty bad.
Okay.
You keep going down there, and it'll split off. And keep to the right.
Okay, so over here we go at the lantern, take a left.
Take a left, and then it should split off to the right. Go to the right.
Okay.
I would suggest you don't drive down the hill
Okay.
on a motorcycle. I think there's
But it's only like a 200-foot walk or something, right? It's not far.
yeah.
Okay.
But I think there's a spot there at the top where you can
Okay.
park it.
All right. Nice. So, okay, so over here we go, take a left at the lantern.
Take a left at the next split.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to turn around over here. Thank you. Okay, yeah, we're definitely not going to take our bikes down. Yeah. The guy was like, motorcycles, huh? Exciting. It's like, yeah, bro. All right. Yeah, I bottomed out already like 3 times. All right. You go first so I can get you on camera when you fall into a fucking mud pit. All right, we're taking a left at the lantern. Don't spin the tires though. Oh God, nerd. You should, you know, you need all the help you can get. Fucking hell, we're gonna have to do this again to get food? That's fine. See, this is proper vlogging material. Proper adventuring. fuck are you supposed to find these directions? At the lantern, take a left. Yep. Oh boy. Motorcycles, huh? Well, he did say they take their Prius fucking here. Maybe it's a lifted Prius. Shit has like a fucking 9-inch lift. All right. Oh boy. I could see how this is not for everyone on motorcycles. Yeah, except on a mountain bike we'd be going twice as fast. And thank God it's not raining or we'd be totally fucked. Wow. That's a nice little jump here. Yeah. I think he's not wrong. We're 100% getting eaten by bears tonight. Right. Wow, I just went full stupid over there on that rock. Oh my God. Fucking bottoming out. Oh. No, me too. I'm just listening to all the hoo-ha my bike is making. I got... Well, even if this is not the right place, this was fun. Yeah, for sure. You got that right. Wow. You know what? Like, that section, when I went with Dirty Billy, was gnarlier, but it was shorter. Airbnb this way. All right. Okay. We're just gonna have to find our way back here somehow after we leave, you know? With all the beer and shit, we're gonna be like, what the fuck? Yeah, I can't wait to see the fucking cabin too. This is probably the parking, right? Yeah, that's the downhill. This is where the bears destroy our bikes. All right. Is this too much angle? It's a little crazy. I'm gonna park like over there. Who knows? Maybe it's not that crazy after we... Hold on, let me go over here. There we go. Some good old boys will come with a pickup truck and scoop up our bikes.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna actually just take a walk down there and see. I think that's got to be it. Because that looks pretty steep.
Yeah.
I just don't see the cabin at all. I don't see any structures of any sort. Fuck. Actually, I was hoping it would be a little more secluded. Yo, bro.
Where did you say the keys were?
Oh, the keys are,
Are they in this bucket over here?
no. The keys are, it's a keypad. It's like 6648.
Why do I feel like there's something in this bucket?
It's like probably snakes. Alright. Dude. Yeah. I could see how things could get really sketchy here. On a dirt bike, this would be nothing. He would literally just fly up it. I see a cabin. Alright, so I think that's the cabin. So let's go get our shit so we don't have to walk up and down like 5 times. Alright, I see a cabin.
Damn, look at these woods.
Dude, I cannot believe it. This is like true seclusion. This is almost like too much. like, hey.
Too secluded.
Yeah, dude. Fucking sketchy ass off-road. I guess that's why some people were just like, yo, there's no fucking way you can drive down to the cabin. You would shit your pants 5 times. That's too bad. I thought I was gonna be a hero.
I was expecting it to be rockier.
You know what? It's totally realistic. We could drive down it, but I don't know if it's worth it. All right.